welcome to Yoga with Ellie. Today we have a beautiful practice to connect with your inner self, your inner joy, your inner smile, and connect with nature. So grab your mat and let's get started. Alright, beautiful friends, let's meet all in a cross-legged position, hands in Namaste. You can do this practice outside, it's a beautiful day. Big inhale in, exhale out with a Put your focus in, connect with your inner self. Amazing yogis. Put your hands on the mat, deep inhale in, hands going up. Now exhale out, hands are going down. Deep inhale in, inner smile. Long exhale out, hands are going down. Amazing new yogis. I'm very excited for this class. Let's do a little separation and feel our energetic field. So let's do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good yogis, hands are meeting in Namaste. Big inhale in, long exhale out. Alright guys, let's take both of our legs, put them next to our body, and roll. Massage your lower back. Legs are going forward and to the back. Forward and to the back. Good yogis. Last one. And we're staying with our legs folded on the mat. Good yogis. You can't see my face, but it's okay. We're gonna press it up and down. Press up and down. Last time, press up and down. Good yogis. Now I want you to stay there. Breathe a few deep breaths. And we're gonna go up to candle. Deep inhale in, and we're going up. Amazing yogis. You can fold your legs. One folded, one up. Scissors, and we're going down. Flex the legs and go down. Amazing. Okay, now I have a new exercise for us. We're gonna plant our chest on the mat, stay on the belly, and we're gonna go as up as we can with our back. 1, 2, amazing yogis. Last one, 3. Good. Deep inhale in. Release everything. Stay on your stomach. Hand on the hand, one hand on another, and we're gonna fold forward. Just relax and connect with nature. Twist the head to the other side. Feel the joy, feel the love. Amazing yogis. We're gonna do another variation of this exercise. We're gonna plant our legs and stomach and our back, and we're gonna just fold forward and press up the legs. 1, 2, 3. Good. Go to downward facing dog. Paddle. Okay, and from here we're gonna go to cobra. Downward facing dog. Cobra. Feel the sun, feel the joy. Downward facing dog. Okay, legs are going to the front to a cross-legged position. Stay strong, yogis. We're gonna jump. Amazing. Let's shake it all off. Let go of everything we don't need. Shake it all off. Good, yogis. Now what I want you to do is take a deep inhale in and be one with nature. Okay, let's warm the back like a snake. Other side. Amazing, yogis. This video is filmed from another perspective, but we're gonna enjoy this practice anyways. So take a deep inhale in. Feel the joy, feel the love. Long exhale out. Hands are meeting in this mudra. We're gonna breathe from the nose, release from the mouth, like we have a stroke in our mouth, like lips are together. Deep inhale in. Deep inhale in. It's the cleanser. Deep inhale in. Release from the mouth. Hands are meeting in namaste. Now we have another challenge for you guys. So please get that butterfly pose going. Amazing. And if you can, and you want to, and you feel warm enough, you can go to lotus. Okay? If this is not comfortable for you, stay in a cross-legged position. And here we're gonna go to fish. So I'm gonna try it with you. Deep inhale in. Namaste. Long exhale out. Back is opening back. Okay. This is as far as I can go today, so let's meet in a cross-legged position and have a guided meditation. Okay. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing Yoga with Ellie today and choosing yoga. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale out from the mouth. Close your eyes. Feel your roots. Connect to Mama Nature, to planet Earth, to nature. And I have a quote from a good YouTuber, so we're gonna go with the mantra. Close your eyes. The universe is for me, and so does everything else. The universe is for me, and so does everything else. The universe is for me, and so is everything else. It's from Boa Beautiful, a YouTube channel that I love. Release the mantra. Big love to the universe. Big love to myself. Hug yourself. Other side. big love. I love myself today. I love myself every day. Thank you for choosing yoga today. Feel the love, feel the joy, ground again. Namaste. Have a blissful day. You are more than invited to all of my practices, online, offline, YouTube. Love you all. Wishing you the best day ever. Keep that good vibe going.